It begins with something simple, an apple falling from a tree. Most people would see it as ordinary, but Isaac Newton asked a deeper question. Could the same force that pulls the apple down also be holding the moon in its orbit around Earth? That question led to one of the most powerful ideas in science. Gravity is not just what makes things fall. It's the invisible glue that binds the universe together. Take the moon, for example. It should fly off into space, but instead it curves endlessly around the Earth. Why? Because Earth's gravity is pulling it in, perfectly balancing its motion forward. The same is true for the planets orbiting the sun. Gravity is what keeps them in their cosmic dance. Newton captured this with a simple but profound equation. The force of gravity equals a constant, multiplied by the masses of two objects, divided by the square of the distance between them. In other words, the bigger the masses, the stronger the pull. And the farther apart they are, the weaker the attraction becomes. Double the distance, and the force becomes 4 times weaker. Every mass in the universe attracts every other mass. You, me, the Earth, the stars, everything is connected through this invisible force. That's why when you jump, Earth pulls you back down. But you're also pulling on the Earth. The difference is just that Earth is so massive, it hardly notices. Gravity doesn't just act on apples or people. It shaped the cosmos itself. It pulled together clouds of gas to form stars. It bound stars into galaxies. And it holds galaxies in clusters that stretch across the universe. Without gravity, there would be no planets, no stars, and no life. And yet, even today, gravity remains mysterious. Newton could describe how it works, but not why it exists. Centuries later, Einstein would show us that gravity is the bending of space and time itself. But even that leaves questions unanswered. It all began with a falling apple. But the story of gravity is the story of the universe itself. What is this invisible force that shapes everything we see? That is the mystery we're still trying to understand. And that is the story of gravity. A force so familiar, yet still so mysterious. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to subscribe to the Equation Lab, where we explore the math and physics that shape our universe.